My name is Peter Hornyik. My job role is a residential childcare worker. Hello. Passion is possibly the most important thing when you work in this sector, because this is what takes you forward. Because I want to make an impact, I want to make a change, I want to help, I got this desire burning in me. In this setting, we support younger children. These children have to be removed from families, unfortunately, to give them the safety and stability. You have to build relationship with the young person. On a daily basis, it's really depending on the children, what they like. Sometimes we do a bit of messy cooking, pancakes, have some fun in the kitchen. Hooray! And I try to let him do as much as he can to pass skills. And physical activity is really important. We quite often just grab the helmet, go out for a bike ride if the weather is nice. Is how to communicate, how to channel all the energy to make a change in the young people's life. And this is what motivates me when I see the achievement that the young people do. It really makes my heart smile.